Welcome back everybody. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the Toro TimeCutter deck. This is the Zero Turn model SS5000, and also some maintenance tips once you have the deck off. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is drop your deck down to the lowest position. The next step you want to do is remove this cotter pin. This is on the front of the deck. Just pull that out. There'll be a washer on there. Make sure you don't lose that. And then drop the pin out here. Pull that right out of the way. So the next step you want to do is lift up the deck. The deck's going to sit on this bar that goes across right here. And it just slides right in there. So the next step you want to do is just pick up the deck and push it back so it comes off of that bracket in the back. Go ahead and do that on the other side as well. It just pops right off. You can see right here, this bracket was sitting up on top of this right here. Now just go ahead and slide the deck back a little bit. It takes the pressure off the belt. Come around to the back of the unit. You can see the belt has now got some slack in it right here. Just pop it off. Finally, I like to raise this back up out of the way so the brackets are out of the way. At this point, your deck should be free. Just slide it back forward a little bit. And go ahead and slide it out. Now that you have your deck off, you're going to want to clean up all the debris off of here. You also want to remove these guards. There's 3 bolts, 8mm socket. I like to take this off so you can get underneath and clean the grass and debris out from underneath these as well. As you can see, there's a lot of grass underneath. There are no grease fittings on your spindles, but you like to get the grass out so that it doesn't have premature wear and heat on here, and also wear out your belt. Another thing you need to do is make sure you put a couple pumps of grease into your Zerk fittings. There's one on each wheel in the front. And since you have your deck off, you can go up underneath, look for any damage, any leaks, and clean off all the grass and everything else that's underneath there. Now that we got the deck all cleaned up real nice, we can go ahead and replace these safety covers. And then the final step is going to be to flip your deck upside down. You want to clean all the grass out from underneath. Check your blades, inspect them, sharpen them if they need to be sharpened. If they got any large nicks in them, go ahead and replace them. We'll get this cleaned up and then we'll get it put back on. Now that we have it all cleaned up, the blades are sharpened, the deck is clean, and we got the Zerk fittings greased, you just simply reverse the process. You're going to slide it underneath. Then you're going to hook up the belt and pick it up onto the pins, and then put that bar back through here with the pin, with the cotter key. Don't forget to drop this down once you have it underneath. Before you go too far, make sure your belts are all back on their pulleys where they need to be. Go ahead and pick it up, slide her on. come around the other side and do the same thing. Look down inside, make sure your brackets are over that pin. Final step is to slide this bar back through. Put your washer on. Slide your cotter key back in. And you're all set. Just give it a try. Make sure your deck comes up even. Everything looks pretty good. Again, this is the TimeCutter SS5000. Simple tool-free deck removal. The only thing you need tools for are to remove your blades. Thanks for watching. Remember to get outdoors with Deano.